Millions of Americans will be hitting the road for Memorial Day weekend.
That's why the Illinois State Police will be stepping up patrols in hopes that people are driving smarter. WCIA3's Emily Braun is live in Champaign now. Emily, what are some things for drivers to look out for?
Well, first of all, the roads might not be so busy right now, but by this afternoon, the highways are going to be more congested with traffic, especially around major cities like Chicago or Indianapolis. In fact, AAA is predicting that across the country, there will be about 37.6 Americans hitting the road. And with more people on the road, you can also expect to see more Illinois State Troopers out there as well as part of the National Border-to-Border campaign. ISP is really pushing these ups and downs. Sober up and buckle up. Slow down and phone down. That's to prevent the four most common causes of serious crashes: DUI, seatbelts, speeding, and distracted driving. Transportation officials say that the number of deadly crashes is actually down so far this year, but we need more enforcement from police as well as more people practicing common sense while driving in order to keep that up. Live in Champaign, Emily Braun, WCIA3, your local news leader.
What's up forecast today? Looking like it's going to be a cloudy and a gloomy one to start off now. Not too many more of these for a few of the kids, or a lot of the kids, as summer break is now coming upon us. 64 though, with a lot of the cloudy skies. We'll be back into the afternoon and see that there could be a bit more of that sunshine out there as temperatures rise quite a bit into the mid 80s. Here's a look at the forecast as we go later on into the day, which looks to be a bit more sunny. Live look outside on your Roofing Dog at Adams Memorial Skycam. It's still a cloudy start with temperatures right now sitting in the 60s in Champaign, 70 in Effingham. We'll continue to see those rain showers, though, mainly miss us farther to the north and to the west. Future track showing that here throughout the day, we'll notice those clouds breaking apart. Those of us farther south and east have that better chance of seeing the sunshine for a long point and a long part of the day, which is going to help us to warm up more so into the mid and upper 80s, even closing in on 90 as we head later on. But for us, probably not going to see the better rain chances until we head late into the holiday weekend, at least for your Sunday. We'll talk about those chances, more chances to come, plus mainly 80s ahead for us into the next 7 days. And a look at your 7-day forecast in just about 5 minutes. Aaron and Christy.
Adam, thanks. A man has pleaded not guilty to shooting another man in Mattoon.
Keith McGrew is accused of shooting 29-year-old Mark Curry. It happened at the Sunrise Apartments on 9th Street last week. He told police he was staying with a woman there, and they say he got to know Curry, and then they got into an argument. Police say McGrew left, got a gun, came back to the apartment, and shot Curry. McGrew is charged with first-degree murder.
New this morning, a man was arrested after police say he tried taking a 95-year-old woman's car keys. Our partners at the Herald and Review report it happened in Decatur. The woman turned from US 36 onto Green Hill Road and cut off the man, causing his car to go off the road. Police say the woman pulled over and the man went to her car yelling and swearing at her. He then reached into the car and tried to take her keys away. The man's facing charges of aggravated battery to a senior citizen and unlawful vehicular invasion.
A family in Decatur lost everything to a fire earlier this week, and now they are asking for the community's support as they rebuild. The parents say they were at work when they got a call that their home was up in flames. They don't know what started it, but there were not any smoke alarms inside. The mother says everyone's okay, but she has a warning for other families.
Smoke alarms, make sure that you have them, because we could have been in bed, we could have died, and I'm glad that everybody that was here got out, and my kids wasn't here, because it was that bad and it was that quick. Smoke alarms are one of the most definite things that you definitely need in a house.
The parents say they need everything from household items to clothes and food. We have information on how you can help on our website, WCIA.com.
New this morning, no one was hurt after an apartment fire in Decatur. It happened just before 11 last night in the 2400 block of North Water Street. When crews got there, they found a fire in an apartment kitchen. No one was home at the time. A woman living in the opposite apartment was rescued through a window and treated for smoke inhalation. Officials say the fire was caused by unattended cooking on a stovetop.
As we first told you on the WCIA3 News app, Champaign County's property tax rate is going down. The treasurer says the main reason is because the nursing home was sold. The county discontinued that tax and paid off the bonds. Rates are now down for every area except Allerton. What you will pay depends on your assessments.
Both parties at the Capitol have their differences, but one thing they agree on is harsher penalties for drivers who break Scott's Law, the Move Over Law. A bill to do that cleared the House and Senate earlier this session. It increases the minimum fine to $250 for first-time offenders and $750 if you get caught after that. Money collected from the fines will go to a Scott's Law fund to educate drivers about it. Lawmakers also agreed to dedicate this bill to the 3 officers hit and killed on duty this year.
We have a follow-up on the Mattoon Fire Department's ambulances. The City Council voted this week to put them up for sale. The department's ambulance service was shut down last year. The city said private services were able to cover the city's need instead. Mitchell Jordan has since taken over the city's coverage. No word yet on what the ambulances will be priced at.
A hospital in Decatur is expanding. The boards of Decatur Memorial Hospital and Memorial Health System reached an affiliation agreement last month. The CEO of Memorial Health System says this will help them provide health care for patients at a lower cost. They hope this change will let them provide more for the community.
We're trying to strive to provide the best possible outcomes from each and every patient. And it's one patient, one family at a time. And that's what we're trying to do.
More approval is needed before this is finalized. The decision is expected to go into effect in October.
New this morning, today is the 17th annual Lake Vermilion Cleanup Day. From 8 until noon, volunteers will pick up debris in the lake and along the shoreline. People who live along the lake that would like debris picked up should have it bagged or piled up for easy pickup. If you want to help, arrive no later than 8 a.m. and be dressed appropriately. Gloves will be provided.
That will wrap up the morning show on WCIA, but coming up when we make the switch to WCIX for the 7 and 8 o'clock hours of the morning show.
A live action remake and a smart teen comedy are on screens this weekend. Film critics Chuck Kaplinski and Pam Powell are stopping by to review Aladdin and Booksmart in Friday Flicks.
But before that, let's get one last check of our forecast with Adam.
This weekend is the holiday weekend. If you have the day off today, congratulations, you're already done, and you're probably on your way to your vacation or just going to enjoy the day. It might be a little wet, but we see the better chances heading into Sunday and then more of them to come into next work week. Memorial Day itself, 84, good chance of storms.